This book is called Just Grace by Sharice Harper. And this is the first book in a 12-book series, and that we have 6 of them in our library. And Grace loves cats. She also loves taking pictures of cats and drawing comics. When her neighbor's cat goes missing, Grace does her best to make Mrs. Luther feel less lonely. But as the mystery of the missing cat continues, Grace finds herself in a bit of trouble. And this book has some illustrations in it and some comics. And so this is a story part that says, "What happened at home that was completely surprising? I was looking out my kitchen window while I was waiting for Augustine Dupre to get home, and I saw Sammy Stringer walk up to Mrs. Luther's door. He pushed the door buzzer and then got invited into her house. I ran up to my room and looked out my window, but I couldn't see them in her living room. What he was doing in her house was not something I could even imagine. It was bizarre, which is what they say on Unlikely Heroes, when something is too hard and not really possible to even understand. I didn't want to think about it because this kind of thinking usually makes my head hurt. So I drew a new, not-so-super comic to try to get my wondering energy away from it." And so this is the comic she wrote about what she's seeing. So I thought that was kind of a fun thing, and she's got several little comics in here that she's written to keep the story going. So you might want to check this out. And remember, we have 6 of the 12 in the series, and this is the first one.